Gareth, a very valuable point against Belgium, and it felt like a result that had been coming, not just during those 90 minutes, but the hard work over the last couple of games.
Yeah, I think we were probably unlucky. I think, especially with having the first goal ruled offside as well. It was a great finish from Ethan, but yeah, obviously he was gutted. But yeah, I think we had chances to possibly win the game. So yeah, it was difficult, but difficult to take. But yeah, I think a draw was a good point. Give us something to cheer about, got us off the mark in the Nations League, and yeah, hopefully we can build on that.
But speaking to you before the game, and you said the future of Welsh football is in very safe hands, and I think it said a lot when Brennan Johnson came on, Colwill came on, and they really impressed against some of the best players in the world. Yeah,
no, exactly. I think we've really got a lot of youngsters coming through now, and us as senior players, our job is to make them feel comfortable, to help them, to teach them a few things as well. So no, I think, like I've said before, the future's in good hands. Yeah, we just want to keep progressing as a country. Even when us all the lot have gone, we want to see Wales doing well. We want to see the national team build on what we've been able to achieve, and hopefully there's a lot more to come in the future.
And it's a good sign when you come off, Brennan Johnson comes on, scores the winner that gets the equaliser. How impressed have you been with him, and just how his career's developed over the last couple of years? Yeah,
no, definitely. It's, he's had obviously an amazing season this season in the Championship, and yeah, for him to get his first goal the other day, we were all congratulating him after, and yeah, hopefully there's many more to come, and he can keep improving, keep getting better as a player, and that obviously will help Wales as a football team as well.
I've got to ask you about Ramsey's assist. That wasn't too bad, was it, Gareth?
No, it was good. It was good. He did a little slide in the middle as well. So, no, obviously Rambo's been great. Yeah, it's been hard work for us all these games to kind of patch ourselves up and go again. And yeah, hopefully we can all do it one more time.
I read a brilliant thing that described you and Ramsey as the Batman and Robin of the Wales team. In terms of your relationship, you've known each other since you were teenagers. You're at similar stages now with Wales. Do you lean on each other? Are you kind of going to each other for advice like you always have?
Not necessarily for advice, but yeah, we get on. We've been friends for many years. We joke, we laugh. But when we come on the pitch, we have a good understanding, and yeah, I think it's just natural the way we play. Yeah, there's not really too much to say. There's not too much to go into too much depth. But yeah, we just enjoy playing with each other. We enjoy playing for Wales, and we both give our all. And I think that's what you always see when we put on a Wales shirt.
One game to go, Gareth, against the Netherlands. They were unlucky not to get the win against Poland over the weekend. What kind of game are you expecting out in Rotterdam?
Yeah, another difficult game against a top team again. That's why we're playing these games to test ourselves. But yeah, it's the last game of 5 for us. So yeah, obviously we have some tired legs, but yeah, I think when we put the Wales shirt on, we'll always give 100% whenever we do that, and yeah, we'll give it one last push.
Rob Page, you've spoken a lot about the schedule, and keeping everyone fit has been a bit like Mission Impossible. Are we expecting a full strength team out there, do you think?
I don't know what the team is yet. I think it's only been a day and a half since the last game, so I'm sure we'll go out to training now, work on a few things, and yeah, obviously the manager will choose the team.
Gareth, thank you very much.
Thank you.